You will need 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. I already measured it out and put it in a Ziploc bag. You would need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, which I already put in the bag as well, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup plus a tablespoon of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I also already measured this out. And you can add chocolate chips, or like I have, white chocolate chips. And this is also optional. You can add icing to the top of your mug cake. All right, let's get started. Add all dry ingredients to your mug. So since I have flour and sugar together, I'm gonna just dump the contents into the mug. Then we're gonna measure out 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Oops. And that's 1, 2 tablespoons. Then we're gonna get 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're gonna add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Next, we need 1/4 cup of milk plus 1 tablespoon. So 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoon. Two tablespoons of vegetable oil, and last but not least, your chocolate or vanilla chips. Once you mix all the ingredients together, it should have a cake-like consistency, like so. You can add your chocolate chips or white chips and take it to the microwave. Microwave it on high for 70 seconds. I'm gonna take mine to the microwave and I'll be right back. Now I had to play with my microwave a little bit. You may have to put it on 2 minutes and then check it. But here is the finished product. And like I said, it's optional to add icing. Bon appetit.